Nako, guys, well, it's the new year and my new single, ang Hail. Kaya umagang kay ganda sa inyo. Dahil,
Good morning!
last time na nagsama tayo, napag-usapan natin yung album nyo, which is
Kundiman.
Kundiman. And your first single was Bahay Kubo.
Bahay Kubo. Now we're promoting the second single, which was called Kalesa. So we're very excited. And first gig namin dito sa Umagang Kay Ganda for 2010.
Ganda,
So
napakaganda naman ng start.
thank you for having us. Thank you. It's a pleasure.
Okay, kamustahin ko lang kung kamusta yung New Year's ninyo, anong ginawa nyo, at saka ano ang New Year's resolution mo?
I stayed home. Natulog ako maaga para start the year right. And then, yung New Year's resolution ko to be more patient.
Okay. Well, sana hindi naman kailangan maging patient masyado mga fans nyo because you have a new single and tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang mga gigs and concerts. Meron bang dapat abangan?
Well, we're promoting the second single and then hopefully more mall shows and more out-of-town gigs. And then if for more details, just visit our website, haloofficial.com. Kasi yeah,
Okay, hindi ko na tatanungin kung saan nanggaling yung New Year's resolution mo, ah. Okay, guys, hindi. Wala na. Uy, medyo pinawisan ka na konti. Okay. Okay, guys. Sige, wag na natin tagalin pa. Bahay Kubo by Hell! Thank you, guys.